Hey, I'm DJ Too Much with 6FigureDJs. If you're watching this video right now, it's because you're a DJ that needs to get more gigs in your local area. Our gig generation system is a guaranteed way for you to get 2 to 5 guaranteed leads every single day. The gig generation system, otherwise known as a funnel, is a guaranteed way to bring high-paying leads to your DJ business. We create a series of landing pages, emails, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads in order to automate marketing for your DJ business. I love DJing and I love marketing, and we were able to create this phenomenal system called the Gig Generator that helps DJs get between 2 to 5 leads every single day, guaranteed. To me, it's the only way to really scale your DJ business, grow your business 6 figures and beyond, and get above your competition. You don't have any competition when you're advertising on Facebook and Instagram, using our gig generation system and bringing in leads that nobody else can touch. You're creating a branded automated marketing system for your business and continuing to market to your potential customers every single day while you're asleep. While you're asleep, emails are going out, text messages are going out to your potential customers, to your potential clients, and bringing them to your website. So while you're sleeping and you're not even thinking about it, people are visiting your website and passing on information about your brand in order to book you. So to me, this gig generation system is a no-brainer for any DJ who's looking to scale their business and really grow. With the money that you invest into this system, you're gonna make 10 times over with the amount of gigs that you're gonna bring in. Just last week, we set up a DJ in New Jersey with one of our gig generation systems, and within 2 days, he was able to book a $1,500 wedding. This gig generation system pays for itself so fast. It's worth every single dollar, and it can generate between 80 to 100 leads every single month. If you wanna find out more information about our gig generation system, click the Start Now button below, sign up, or get on the phone with one of our agents today.